Okay, so let's take a look at Warrior 1 or Virabhadrasana A. Obviously there are 3 warrior poses, so I will be going through each of these, but let's focus on one right now. I'm going to use my left leg as my lead leg, just so you can see what my hips are doing really from this angle. So we're going to take our left leg forward and we're sending our right leg back. You want quite a wide stance, so you want the legs quite far apart so it gives us the space to open up and sink into this warrior. Now the lead foot should be in line with the long edge of your mat, so your toes are at the top, facing towards the short edge. And then your right foot in this case is going to be turned out. You could say 45 degrees. I tend to kind of think about my feet in the clock, so in this instance they're facing at about 2 o'clock. And then from here, when we've kind of got our stance, you can take the feet on train tracks if that gives you a little bit more space so you're a little bit less wobbly. We're going to sink into this left leg. So our knee ends up at a bit of a right angle. We're keeping our leg nice and straight and nice and engaged. We want to engage the glutes, engage that leg. We don't want to just hang out on this front leg. We want to make sure that our weight is distributed evenly. So really think about pressing into the mat with that back edge of the right foot, and then just really take a moment to feel that. Try and tuck that tail in, keep that core nice and engaged, and then we're going to have our shoulders facing forward, so we've got a little bit of a twist here. So as we sink in, we'll send the arms up. Now you'll have lots of variations here in terms of what we do with the arms. They may be in prayer. You may have a slight back bend where you're looking up towards the hands, but for here we're going to focus more on keeping these legs nice and engaged and sinking deep into our warrior. And if we've got our arms raised up, try not to really pull them up high so that our shoulders are heading towards the ears. Really drop the shoulders down, pull the shoulders back and engage them. We're just looking for overall engagement, so we're really fired up in this pose. And that essentially is our Warrior 1. Okay, and then we'll come back and take a rest. Any questions? Leave a comment.